So guys, let's start our video. So this is the app Programming Hero. Here you can learn coding also and you can do coding also. So for putting conditional in coding, you have to, if you want to compare two quantities, you have to take two variables. Suppose I am taking center fruit equal to 30, happy dent equal to 20. Taking the price constant, there is 30 center fruit and happy dent 20 pieces. Both prices are same. 30 pieces of center fruit if have x, if the amount of 30 center fruit is x, then 20 pieces of happy dent is also x. So now you have to take condition. So for putting condition, you have to give a command named if center fruit greater than center fruit greater than happy dent, and print I will buy the combo of center fruit. Then in the next command, you have to tell else if, you can write in short form elif happy dent greater than center fruit, print I will buy the combo of happy dent. So let's see our output. I am very nervous that what will be the output. Let's click, and it came I will buy the combo of center fruit. So my coding is successful. I can explain you with one more example. Suppose I am taking a variable potato price equal to rupees potato price equal to 30 and onion price equal to 20, 40 or 40 you can take. Then you can give a command if potato price is greater than onion price, print I will buy potato. Else if onion price greater than potato price, print. I will buy onion. So let's see our output. I'm so nervous. So it is saying I'll buy onion. So, oh sorry, I have done. A human always takes the minimum price amount, price things. So yes, I'll buy potato. Less than potato. Buy onion. So, so let's see. It is showing I'll buy a potato. You can also make with one only variable, that is my age equal to 18. My age equal to 18. If my age greater than 20, print I am adult. 18, sorry, 13. Else print I am a teenager. Here it is done. So I'm so nervous to see the output. Click on it. It is showing I am a teenager and my code is successful. I can show you with them.